Video will show you how to publish from a list view in Titan Survey. So we'll go and set up a survey here. We'll call it List View. And I'm just going to set up like a very simple survey. We'll insert a question. We'll say, what shall we choose? We'll use rating. And then we'll say out of 10, please rate this car. And I'll insert an image. And that image will be of this car here, which can be, I suppose, moved above here like that. Now here's my my question, and I can also modify this image settings if I want to, but I will leave it like this. But anyway, out of 10, please rate this car. So regardless for the surveys, it's irrelevant, but it's the list view that I want to focus on. So here I'm going to go ahead and create a new list view, and we'll call this Joe Blogs View, because I'm only going to bring one record in there just for demonstration purposes. So here's my list view, and I'm going to go ahead and add my filter, and the filter is going to be last name contains the word blogs. And it's only going to bring in one record because I don't want to mess around with too much data here. Okay, alright, so that's not going to work because I've got loads here. So what I'll do is I'll say full name. In fact, we can do first name contains blogs. Okay, so now hopefully it will just bring one record. Oh no, it should be Joe, not blogs. Done. Right. Beautiful. So one record. Obviously you can have multiple, but in my case I'm just going to use one. And the way it works is like this. You go publish, you choose a list view, click next. Object in Salesforce will be contact. In your case it will be whatever. And then here you will see Joe Blogs View, which is exactly my list view here. And then contact ID, click next, next, custom email, list view survey. And then I will use the web server URL, click next. Make sure you specify your field, it's email, next, and then we'll say test at type. Well, we can just use my email actually. And we'll say list view, and then click to send now. Now it's going to go out to myself, and then we will show you how that works in here. So just bear with me, I'll pull the email across. Alright, so now you can see that I've actually received the email, and this is what's going to go out to every list view candidate that's within that list view essentially. And from here on, you can just go ahead and start, rate my car, I'm going to rate it 10, go ahead and submit. It's going to go to Salesforce, and I will show you what the integration logs look like. So we'll go ahead and go my account, post settings / logs, and there is my record ID that's just been created with the response. So we'll have a look for you. There's a survey taker. You can see the survey taker is the list view, and obviously the list view is the list view that we had. Every response will come in here. Here's my response. There was a 10 value. Out of 10, please rate this car. And that's it. And this is how it's done. This is how you send everything from a list view.